this is WhiteFangGaming here, and today, to go with my how to solve a Rubik's Cube video, some Rubik's Cubes can't handle being solved, not being solved, if people try to solve it too fast, some Rubik's Cubes cannot handle it, so I'm going to show you how to reassemble a Rubik's Cube if it breaks by trying to solve it too fast. So, in case you saw my video I uploaded like an hour before this one, and you try to solve a Rubik's Cube but it broke, here's how to put it together. So, let's get on with the video. Yeah. Let's say you're just solving a Rubik's Cube, and somehow my Rubik's Cube doesn't do a very good job of that. Let me get a different one. Alright, I'm back with another Rubik's Cube because that other one couldn't break, so yeah, so let's say, oh no, I'm solving my Rubik's Cube, but then it started to break. Oh dear, this is such a bad thing. My Rubik's Cube is breaking all because I accidentally stuffed scissors in it and pried it open. And then the piece went across the entire room. Oh yeah, no, I don't know how to solve it. Let me still try to turn it. Oh no, it's all gone. Yeah. Some Rubik's Cubes are just fall all apart. But here's a good example. So, yeah, let me gather all the pieces because they went everywhere, and then I can teach you how to reassemble. Alright, now it's time to reassemble it. So what you first want to do is get on the sides. Make sure to remember which side's facing down. So the blue side's facing down. So what you want to do is you want to find all the pieces with blue on them. There should be 8 of them because the center's all together. If the center is not together, then attach it and there should be 8 other ones. So let me get all those. Alright, so once you have all the blue pieces, you want to set up your Rubik's Cube like this and start adding a side piece, not a corner. And make sure the blue side's facing down. And start placing them, oh come on. So start placing them around. Like, you see this? I hate it. So see, I placed this piece here, and now I need to place this piece. Well, we want to have it so that we got to do the colors connecting so it's best. So that piece is there. Then this piece can go here. And then start the orange side. So, well, first we got to put this other yellow piece here, and then all you need to do is work your way around with the other color pieces with still blue on it. That's orange. And just try to work your way around the cube and start filling these pieces in. Maybe turn that to get more room. And you need to start filling it all in. Oh, sorry if you couldn't see that there. Alright, so once you're done with the first layer, you got to move on to the second. So again, this time, you got to get all the pieces with yellow, red, white, and orange, or whatever colors are on the sides for you. So I'm going to gather them and be back. Also, I'll give a shout out to Steven Likes Pizza. I'll repeat, Steven Likes Pizza. It's all one word. He's another YouTuber. He's my friend at school, and also he's also one of the first people to see all my videos. Like 10 minutes ago or less, he saw my how to solve a Rubik's Cube video, and yeah, he was the first one to see it. He's the first one to see a lot of my YouTube videos, so I'll give a shout out to him. So, yeah. Alright, I made a mistake telling you what you're supposed to do. Find all the pieces, it should be just 4 of them, that are this shape, that that are these colors, or all the colors that don't have green, or whatever the top color is. So then, what you need to do is you need to find, this part's easy. I think I can do it all on camera. So you see red and white, this piece goes right about, let me check, oh, here. Sometimes you gotta force it in a little, but don't worry. Then this piece is red and yellow. Just put it in here. Here, don't want to mess up the bottom layer. So red and yellow goes here. Orange and yellow goes here. And finally, the last piece, it broke a little from when I ripped it apart and went across the room. I'll make sure to find that piece later. It goes right about here. So, once you're done with the top layer, oh dear, I messed that up. Wait, what? Okay, let me rotate this cube to be with the right side. So that's orange and red. All right, let's move this across to the other side. There we go. That makes more sense. So this piece goes, what? Actually, oh, this missing piece is green. I'll find the other one. Alright, I found the final piece, and the Rubik's Cube is all back together. So now what you need to do is get all the rest of the pieces and try to find them. So this is a corner piece. So this would go right here. So what you want to do is slide it in the big spot, and then just make it over here. And then try to get the edge that has just orange and the edge that has just yellow to get it ready. So this edge, just put it in like, oh, the edges I think need to be, wait, let me try this again. Hold on. I forgot. Oh, I forgot. Take off the top. If the top center can actually, alright, I'll show you. So these pieces, some Rubik's Cubes, they need to be just forced in, but they need to be forced in on the corner because that's the easiest place. And then we just need to find the piece which is yellow and green. The side, yellow, there we go. It's yellow and green. Alright, that's the missing piece. So we turn it to the corner and place that in right there. Might be a while. Also, this method doesn't work if you have a centerless cube, which not many people do. So you just continue doing that, finding the right thing. This, let's find another yellow. This needs to go here. So just continue on doing it until you have one piece left. Okay? So once you have one piece left, what you need to do is try to make it so that the hole's as big as possible, which doing this makes the hole really big compared to this. So want to rotate it like that, and then make sure it's oriented right, because of course if one corner piece is turned a little bit, it's actually impossible to solve. So unless you want to have the Rubik's Cube for decoration when it's mixed up. So, alright, so this piece is kind of hard. I forgot how to do it, so I'll be right when I can know. Alright, so I actually made a mistake. You were supposed to put it so there's just one edge piece left, not a corner piece, which explains why I was getting confused. So what you need to do is, it should be easy to make a big gap in between and get your edge piece and just try to make a big gap, get your edge piece, push it in there. Sorry if you can't see because of my hand. Let me try. It should work, I promise you. I've done it before. I actually haven't done it before on this Rubik's Cube, but I have on my speed cube. So, yeah, just keep doing this, and it should be good to go. But try it, it's hard. Maybe you need 2 people. You got to get a gap with your hand by pushing them apart. That's the problem I've been having, because I'm only 1 person and not 2. So, yeah, just keep doing that, and you should get the Rubik's Cube fixed in no time. Alright, so I just did it. I did it like right away when I tried forcing it in, but it was right here. And it turns out there's a bigger hole when there's a corner. So I pushed it in when it was right here in the corner. And it fixed, so yeah, that's how you fix a broken Rubik's Cube, or if it just breaks. And just so you know, it works with this cube also. This I got from the dollar store, and it breaks like a million times. I didn't use that much force.